Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige Ambitex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. Our GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, a dark wood linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our media display, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for a different driving pattern. This GLC 300 has 33,517 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.